4 exercises men over 40 should stop doing. Are you still training like you're 25? Well, it might be time to hit the brakes before your body hits back. As we hit 40 and beyond, our bodies start to change whether we like it or not. Recovery slows down, joints get stiffer, and injuries take longer to heal. But that doesn't mean you need to quit the gym, it just means you need to train smarter. A lot of men over 40 keep pushing through outdated workouts that do more harm than good. Today we're talking about 4 exercises men over 40 should stop doing and what you should be doing instead to stay strong, lean, and injury-free. 1. Heavy barbell back squats. The classic back squat is a staple, but as we age, the spinal compression and stress on the lower back can become a real issue. If your mobility isn't where it used to be, you're risking lower back strain or even disc issues. Swap it out for goblet squats, leg presses, or Bulgarian split squats. These still build strength, but with less spinal load and more control. 2. Behind the neck shoulder press. This one's a shoulder killer. Most men over 40 already have some level of shoulder tightness or impingement. Pressing behind the neck just exaggerates this and can lead to rotator cuff problems. Instead, opt for dumbbell shoulder presses or landmine presses, which allow for a more natural movement pattern and are much safer on the joints. 3. Straight bar deadlifts. Don't get us wrong, deadlifts are powerful, but pulling heavy weight from the floor with a straight bar is unforgiving, especially for guys with less than perfect mobility or past back issues. Swap to trap bar deadlifts or Romanian deadlifts. They put less stress on the spine and allow you to still train those glutes, hamstrings, and traps effectively. 4. Long distance running on hard surfaces. Running is great for the heart, but pounding pavement for miles at a time can be brutal on aging knees and hips. Over time, it can lead to joint degeneration and chronic inflammation. If cardio's your goal, try rowing, cycling, swimming, or incline walking instead. You'll still get the cardiovascular benefits without wrecking your joints. Your focus changes from maximizing repetitions to long-term strength, function, and mobility maintenance when you reach your 40s. The objective is to challenge oneself sensibly, not to stop. Exercises that protect your joints, improve your posture, and develop practical strength are what you want. By substituting safer workouts for riskier ones, you can maintain consistency over time and improve your performance. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment with what you've replaced in your routine, and subscribe for more real, age-smart fitness advice. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.